Welcome to question and answer session 19. I am Pratap here. Before we get into this session, all of you please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. You might be knowing the cost of the training is over 8,000 US dollars and we are providing complete free training. All training lessons you can access at our NeoStock YouTube channel. At our channel homepage, click on the tab posts. Some of you might be seeing the tab community. Click on the tab. You get access to this post. And this post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. You just click on the link. Now we are into supply demand zone price action course playlist. Here you have all the training lessons are available. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are placed in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this video description. So please join at the Telegram channel. It will be helpful to you each time when we release a new YouTube video or any other important updates we will be providing at our Telegram channel. Now let's get into Q&A-19. So this is about Forex, crypto and commodity time frames. Recent time, several people are asking about these time intervals. All these questions are about the time intervals, or asking what is the best time frame we can use in the Forex or commodity or crypto markets. Remember, there is no question of best time frame. All time frames are best only. But whichever the time frame you get opportunities, you have to accept the trade in that time frame. If you are a full-time trader, but if you are a part-time trader, you have very less time, probably you should focus only on the swing trades. Okay, have we not discussed these time frames? We already discussed in lesson 15 about the time frames, but they are not specific to the Forex, or commodity or crypto related. They were more specific to National Stock Exchange timings I have given, but I provided the logic for choosing the time frame that can be applied in any market. Now let me focus, because many of you people are focusing about Forex and commodities or crypto. So let me give you all the time frames that can be used in these markets. What we learned in lesson 15? Lesson 15 we will be using 3 time frames. That is a higher time frame, intermediate time frame and lower time frame. So in phase 2 training course between lesson 11 and lesson 20, you learned important concepts about these HTF, ITF and LTF. You learned HTF should be used for identifying the curve. ITF should be used for identifying the trend. Again, both HTF and ITF can be used for identifying the price direction. You learned in lesson 13. It's a new concept I developed to improve the success rate of these bullish and bearish trade setup concepts. And a lower time frame, you learned it as an entry time frame. In one of the zones you take the entry and the other zone you will fix as a target. So all these concepts you learned. So in lesson 15 specifically I talked about income trades, different income trades like monthly income trade, weekly income trade. They are useful to the swing traders. Daily income trade and hourly income trade, they are useful to the short-term traders or intraday traders. That is what I explained in lesson 15. And lesson 15 also, I explained a very important logic in this point. What is that? The gap between the time frames should be the gap between any 2 time frames. Maybe that is a right word. The gap between any 2 time frames should be between 3 to 5 candles. What are any 2 time frames? between LTF and ITF or between ITF and HTF. Definitely not between LTF and HTF. You can't jump. Between LTF and ITF, how many candles should be there? Or between ITF and HTF, how many candles should be there? That is what I explained. How many candles of which time frame? Out of these two, whichever is the lower that time frame candles. Suppose between LTF and ITF, which is the lower time frame? LTF is the lower time frame. So between LTF and ITF, a minimum 3 to 5 lower time frame candle should be available. Otherwise, that you can't use. If those candles are not there, you can't use them. Similarly, between ITF and HTF, which is the lower time frame? ITF is the lower time frame compared to the HTF. That's why between ITF and HTF, you should have between 3 to 5 ITF candles for the HTF candle. What exactly the meaning? What did I explain in lesson 15? For example, if you take daily and weekly. So between daily and weekly, let us say daily is LTF, weekly is ITF. Between daily and weekly, minimum 3 to 4 daily candles should be there. Between 3 to 5. Okay, how many daily candles we have? Between weekly and daily, we have 4 daily candles. 5 daily candles. So 5 days, you have 5 days, Monday to Friday. So with these 5 candles, 1 week will be completed. Okay, the 5 candles, are they between 3 to 5 candles? Yes. Okay, next, ITF and HTF. Let us assume ITF is weekly, HTF is monthly. For one monthly candle, how many weekly candles should be there? Between 3 to 5. So to complete the month, we need 4 weeks. That's why 4 weekly candles should be there. Then monthly time frame will be complete. But when you are referring, especially international markets like 24 hours markets, like Forex or crypto or maybe commodities, we have an exception. Instead of 3 to 5 candles, in some special scenarios, you can also consider 6 or 7 candles gap in between 2 time frames. Earlier you learned 3 to 5 candles gap should be there between any 2 time frames. Now what you are learning, in some special scenarios or rare scenarios, not every scenario, please remember this. Rare scenario, you can't complete a time frame with 5 candles. Maybe in that situation, you can consider even 6 or 7 candles. Why this exception? I will explain once we get into this crypto related time frame understanding. Okay. Some important point is missing here. Yeah. Look into the Forex markets. Forex markets are available for 24 hours a day. And 5 days a week trading and no trading on the weekends. But look into the commodity markets. They are available for 24 hours a day trading. But some breaks might be there in between. Small breaks. Because multiple sessions will be there. Maybe morning session or evening session, something like that. Once a session is completed, morning session, before evening session starts, they may give some break. Maybe the break could be 1 minute break, or the break could be 1 hour break, or sometimes the break could be even 2 or 3 hours break also, before the next session in that particular day starts. And these breaks will vary from one type of commodity market to another commodity market. Maybe if you consider some Indian market, commodity markets, the breaks are even much longer. But anyway, remember, some of the commodity markets run almost 24 hours. For example, crude oil and all, I think they give only 1 minute break. and shifting from one day to another day. But remember, most of these Forex, crypto and commodity markets, they are 24 hours markets, either with small breaks or without breaks continuously. Even crypto markets also available 24 hours a day. But the difference is, crypto markets, there is no weekend holidays. It runs 7 days a week continuously without a break. Let us say Monday market starts and Sunday, the same market starting timing of Monday, before Monday it will end. So that's why, see here, when you are referring crypto market, between weekly and daily, we will be having 7 daily candles per 1 week. So this is a rare situation, exceptional situation. You can't make it 4 days or 3 days to complete a week. You need to take 7 days. So such kind of rare situations we will be using. So that's why this is some exceptional. That's why I told you. You can consider 6 or 7 candles gap in rare scenarios between 2 time frames. So in cryptocurrency, because it is a 7 days a week, 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. So to complete 1 week, we should have 7 daily candles. But what is our ideal scenario? Ideal scenario is between 3 to 5 candles. Definitely not less than 3 candles. But higher side, instead of 5 rare situations, we are allowing even 6 or 7 candles between any 2 time frames. Okay, now let us look into different income trades in Forex market. Remember, those who are watching this video, first you should complete lesson 15. After lesson 15 only, you should watch this Q&A video. In monthly income trade is almost same as what I explained in lesson 15. See, HTF is monthly, ITF is weekly, and LTF is daily. The scenario is same, but what is making the difference? In crypto, between daily and weekly, we have 7 daily candles. No change between monthly and weekly. We have 4 weekly candles. Should be completed to go to the monthly. We have idea in between 3 to 5, it is satisfying the rule. 4 weekly candles means it are between 3 to 5 candles. But this one is not satisfying the rule, because between daily and weekly we have 7 daily candles. That's why in a rare situation, special situations, 6 to 7 candles are allowed, even though the ideal situation is 3 to 5 candles. Okay, otherwise monthly income trade, it is monthly, weekly, daily is the entry time frame. Monthly you will be using for HTF, that is for your curve or location. And weekly is for trend. And again, both monthly and weekly we use for price direction. HTF is primary price direction, and this is weekly is intermediate price direction. All the rules you learned in lesson 14 and 15. Lesson 13, 14, 15. Price direction you learned in 13. Bullish and bearish trade setups you learned in lesson 14. Lesson 15, income trades. Extension to the lesson 15, this Q&A session I am releasing. Okay, so monthly income trade, no issues. And weekly income trade, here you see the difference. Why we see the difference? Because this is the 24 hours market. We are assuming it is a 24 hours market. Either continuous 24 hours running market or some breaks in between. But overall these markets, so Forex, commodity and crypto, these are all 24-hour market related scenarios. So that is the reason why your higher time frame is weekly, intermediate time frame is daily. But what is changing here compared to what you learned in lesson 15? The LTF is changing. Lesson 15, for Indian markets, you learned LTF is a 75 minutes time frame, or 125 minutes time frame. That is equivalent to 1 hour or 2 hours. But in 24 hours market, your LTF could be either 6 hours or 4 hours time frame you have to use. 6 hours or 4 hours. If you are using 6 hours, you will be getting 4 candles you will get between daily time frame and 6 hours time frame. 6 into 4, 24 hours, right? Or you can also use 4 hours. You have to use 6 candles, 6 4 hours candles. That is what? Rare situations, you can use 6 or 7 candles, I told you, right? This is the reason why I mentioned that point. So you can use 6 4 hours candles, or you can use 4 6 hours candle. Any one of these time frames you can use, but many people use 4 hours. Of course, there are people use 6 hours also. It's all depending on people's strategies. Don't ask me which one is good. Both are good. Wherever you get opportunities, you have to take it. That's it. Always remember, there is no point in discussing which time frame is good. If you think like that, that is wrong understanding. Which time frame at this point of time opportunities are available? That is what you have to look for. Stock market, what we look for opportunities. An opportunity that should give profits. Wherever the opportunity is you are getting, you have to make use of that opportunity. When you exit from the trade, that is all depending on your psychology and your holding capacity and the other factors. Okay. So this is about weekly income trade. See, Indian stock market LTF you have seen either 125 minutes or 75 minutes. That is equivalent to 2 hours or 1 hour. But 24 hours market in WIT trade, your lower time frame is either 4 hours or 6 hours. Because there is a gap of between daily and 4 hours, there is a gap of 6 candles. Or between daily and 6 hours, we have a gap of, we have around 4 hours, we are filled with 4 6 hours candles. Okay, this is a weekly income trade. Next, daily income trade. Why we are using daily? Because the HTF time frame is daily. That's why we are naming with daily income trade. See, all these names came from HTF time frame. Whichever the zone you are using, that time frame. See, monthly income trade, HTF is monthly. Weekly income trade, HTF is weekly. Similarly, daily income trade, HTF is daily. Based on the HTF time frame, the income trade names they have defined. That is what you should observe. So what is HTF? Obviously daily, because this is the name of this income trade is daily income trade. And what about ITF? ITF you will be seeing a change here. Because it is a 24 hours market, ITF should be 6 4 hours candles you have to use. So the ITF time frame is 4 hour. And what about LTF? It is 1 hour. Because we have 4 1 hour candles between 1 hour and 4 hour time frames. See, we have. So the ideal scenario is between 3 to 5 candles. So we have 4 candles. So it's an ideal scenario. 4 1 hour candles between 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame. So in DIT you have to use 1 hour candles. But in our national stock exchange, Indian stock market, national stock exchange, we are using 75 minutes, which is equivalent to 1 hour. Sorry. We are using 15 minutes. We are using 15 minutes in our DIT, National Stock Exchange. But international markets, 24 hours market, instead of 15 minutes, you are using 1 hour for daily income trade. Okay, next one is intraday related. We have different options you can use in intraday. Intraday 4 hours income trade you can use in 24 hours markets. If it is not 24 hours, if it is 12 hours market like some of the equity markets in international, maybe they may execute for 12 hours. In that case, use a 2 hours market. 2 hours income trade. Or even you can use 4 hours income trade for 12 hours market. Even 24 hours market also you can use 4 hours income trade. But in Indian stock exchange, 4 hours market is not suitable because our trade hours are around 6.5 hours close to. Okay. See here, higher time frame is the 4 hours. Now you can tell what is the ITF time frame. Definitely you say 1 hour because there is a four 1 hour candles are there. So that is the way you define. So intermediate time frame, it is 1 hour. Now can you define LTF time frame? The candle should be between 3 to 5 candles. Worst case scenario or maybe rare scenario, you can use 6 candles. Not more than that. But what is the best suitable here? If you use 15 minutes, how many candles you get? 4 candles you will get. 4 15 minutes candle is equivalent to 1 hour candle, right? So that's why the LTF lower time frame you can define 15 minutes. This is intraday 4 hour income trade. Similarly in intraday, further shorter duration income trade, that is a 2 hour income trade you can use. See intraday 2 hour income trade, your HTF is 2 hours. Whichever the income trade type that you will be using. 2 hours is equivalent to 120 minutes. And intermediate time frame, it is 30 minutes. You have 4 30 minutes candles between 30 minutes and 120 minutes. That means 4 30 minutes is equivalent to one 120 minutes candle. To make one 120 minutes candle, we need 4 30 minutes candles. That's why intermediate time frame is 30 minutes. Okay, 4 or 5, which time frame candle will make 30 minutes? 5 minutes. 5 minutes candle. Sorry, 6 5 minutes candle, not 5. 6 5 minutes candle. Lower time frame you can use 6 5 minutes candle. Suppose if you want to use only 4 candles, you can use, but you have to use 30 divided by 4. Do you get? No. You get fraction. But you can use 6 minutes candles, 5 you can use. Or you can use 3 10 minutes candles. You can also use 10 minutes here. That is the way you can define. But these are the standard time intervals. That's why I am giving 6 5 minutes candles is equivalent to 1 30 minutes candle. Similarly, 4 30 minutes candles is equivalent to 1 120 minutes candle. That is 2 hours candle. 2 hours, half an hour and 5 minutes. You can also use 10 minutes also here. Intraday 2 hour income trade. And intraday hourly income trade. Higher time frame is 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. And intermediate time frame is 15 minutes. So 4 15 minutes candles is equivalent to 1 60 minutes candle. And what about the next time frame? Either you can use 5 minutes, 3 5 minutes, or you can use 5 3 minutes candles also you can use. So that's why LT of lower time frame, either you can use 5 minutes candle or you can use a 3 minutes candle is also. Either one is allowed. And the scalping, shorter duration trading, that is 15 minutes income trade. The higher time frame is 15 minutes. Intermediate time frame is 5 minutes. And the lower time frame is 1 minute. See, if you are an expert you have a lot of experience, small profits, you will book the profit because you are an investor investing huge amount of money in the stock market. The small profit will give you big profits. Small profit on a single share will make you big profit because you are investing huge money. So many stocks you are buying. Basically, you are a trader based on the volume. Your volume, overall volume of your total trading, I am saying. Your trade volumes are higher. Your trade volumes. Because your trade volumes are higher, with small profit, the overall profit looks big profit. Maybe ROI is less, but compared to the profits volume point of view, it is a decent profit you get. So those people mostly go for this scalping. So if you are a highly experienced person and you invest huge money in the stock market, then go for the scalping. Otherwise it's quite risky. Because huge money, those who are having, they don't mind losing even big money for 1 or 2 times. Because their investment volumes are very huge. But those people who are having a less investment value, and if you are taking such kind of risks, it will hurt your capital. So, but anyway, the time intervals point of view, it is a 15 minutes is the HTF, 5 minutes is the ITF, and 1 minute is the LTF. So these are the different income trades you can use in Forex or crypto or even international commodity markets. Basically, I am assuming all these all these markets run for 24 hours. Or 24 hours market with small breaks in between. You have multiple trade sessions will be there. 2 sessions or 3 sessions. Mostly 3 sessions are very rare. 2 sessions will be there. Okay, hope this information will be useful to you. Let's all meet again in our next video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. Thank you.